Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your OnePlus Nord Buds with any MacBook. So to do this, you have to just open this charging case. Then you have to locate this button. It's located next to the USB-C port. It's not good visible, but you can find it actually right here. And what you have to do is to click and hold this button and wait until this indicator starts blinking white. Next, you have to release that button and put it close to your MacBook. Go to the system settings. You have to open the Bluetooth. And then from the nearby devices list, select your OnePlus Nord Buds. So click connect, and as you can see, we are successfully connected right now. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.